Bazoo's out full again. Got a double pop on a 264 bet. Ultra spins and double up. See if I beat last bonus. Get some words up here. I don't remember what ultra spins does. I think it's like the birds where it comes add values. I'm not sure though. There we go. I was getting worried. There we go. Yeah, there's the bird. Add a little bit of money to them. Not a whole lot right there. Come on. Drop a major. There you go. 450. Do another one. All right. Need something at the top. Reset it. There we go. Oh, come on, bro. $1.50. $6. There you go. Now you being nice. That's pretty good numbers up top. Big one, major. I like that $6 one. There you go. Add a few of them. $3. Oh, I saw a word, another word down here. Right. 3 spins up top, 2 at the bottom left. All right, reset the bottom. Oh, wow, 2 birds again. Oh, come on, big number. $4.50. $4.50. 3. All right, one more at the bottom. I need something here. Ooh, saw that word. That's a 450 ball.
All right, everybody. Looks like we have our 4 lucky 6 p.m. winners.
I'm sorry, they got a draw going on. Sorry for the noise.
In cash on the big giant pumpkin we have here at the promo.
Wow, it's a lot of values. Keep on going. Pretty good bonus here.
So here we go. We're going to bring in our 4 winners. They're going to spin the wheel and see if they can land on $5,000.
Come on, drop the major.
First up on the wheel, we got Contran from Houston. All right, big spin.
Ooh, $7.50. All right, down to 1 spin each. There you go. That one reset. Need the bottom to get one to reset. It's a really good bonus for a $2.64 bet. Oh, bottom's dead. Last bird for it. Oh, $45. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Drop another one like that. 45 again. Saw that mini pass by, but that's the last spin for it.
All right, $2,000 from Con from Houston.
All right, side this up. Pretty good.
Next up on the wheel, we got Doug from Humboldt.
Nice.
Again, we're calling 4 lucky winners every hour.
I was down to my last $2 and I got 80-something bucks before this, and now this bonus. Never know. Pretty good machine here.
Up to $5,000.
$234. Thanks for watching.